What is up, everybody? My Patreon fans, YouTube. We're gonna be taking a ride to the circle so the kids can play at the new park that is over across town. But we're gonna be visiting Roy, and you can get your bike out. You know what I mean? Get your bike out, and
remember we extended 5 inches.
Yeah, we extended it 5 inches, so he's gonna have fun on it, and it's fully charged too. But we're gonna be riding. I'm gonna be riding his mom's bike since my battery's down. I have no idea where his voltage at on Jay's bike. And you know, and e-bike mom's watching Stranger Things. It's called Stranger Things, right? Yes. So we're gonna be taking our time and everything because I got to talk to YouTuber and Patreon guys, you know, that's on my channel and stuff. And yeah, he's ready to go, so we're gonna go. We're gonna go to Roy's house and see what he's actually doing. So anyways, guys, so I'm doing a video for YouTube, doing one for Patreon. But like I said, we're gonna go over Roy's house and see what he's doing. What's up? Nah, you fine. Oh, you want to get on this side? All right. Yeah, it's been a while since we rode our e-bikes to Roy's house, so it's going to be very fun. Yeah, man. He likes his e-bike. He loves his e-bike. I can tell you that right now. So, all right, guys. So, like I said, it's been a long time since we actually rode e-bikes. What is that? Oh, that's a four-wheelers. Ah, oh man. I don't even know if I. Wow. Hey, let's go catch up. That was some four-wheelers that went right here. They probably went on the trails. Yep, that's what happened. They went on the trails. Yeah, they went on the trails. They out in the trails. But yeah, and you know, it's just kind of frustrating a little bit, you know, when you're trying to. I don't know, guys. I don't know if I'm wrong, you know what I'm saying, for doing all this stuff though. You know, just riding my e-bike and everything and having the family with me. And I love to show everybody, you know, what I do. But, you know, I think I got 2 strikes on me on YouTube. That's the reason why. Another thing too, you know, I can block the trolls. I can do all this stuff, you know what I mean? And it just gets frustrated sometimes when you got a whole list of people talking about your lifestyle. So that's the reason why I limit some of these videos on that platform, and the rest is going to be on Patreon. You know, I'm not trying to push Patreon, but you know, it's really for my members only, anyways. And they're paying for that stuff, you know. But anyways, I mean, that's really all I wanted to say, to be honest, because we out here just splurging the moment right now. So a lot of people will get the wrong idea of what I'm doing. That's the reason my son is riding with me, but he's farther back, so y'all trolls can't see him. I don't know how. I think we're doing like 37 miles an hour or something like that. Not going fast because I forgot to charge his battery up. His battery fully charged up, you know. But don't worry, you know what I'm saying? I'm still gonna upload some videos on YouTube. It just ain't not gonna be the darn, you know, I'm letting them go ahead. Yeah, go ahead. Good. Yeah, letting them go ahead on. So I'm just chilling right now. I ain't you know what I'm saying? I ain't rushing or anything like that. You know what I mean? So, like I said, we're just gonna be cruising over to Roy's house and see what they doing. And we'll get over there and we're gonna show y'all what's going on over there. And yeah, that's about it. So we're gonna go ahead and ride on over right quick, and when we get there, we'll continue up from there. I made Roy's house, man. Look at that. Boy, he did some work to that engine right there, boy. That thing look good, boy. Wow, that what's up. Look at that. Look at that. Hey, he's trying to show off. He's trying to show off, guys. Yeah. That what's up. Yeah, he finally made it now. Yeah, so I was on the videotape, do 2 videos going up there. But dang, that's good job though. That's
I took it all apart.
Yeah.
I mean, I blew it apart.
I see that. I know it took a lot of work. Yeah.
10 days.
What?
10 afternoons.
Dang.
I did it every afternoon after work.
Okay. Yeah, so we got the air tank in the back, you know, when you lift and raise his truck up and everything, got the gas tank, so yeah. And he did all himself. This is with DIY. This is what you call DIY. Same thing with the e-bikes. He did it all himself right there.
Yeah,
that and that car over there. Yeah.
And this thing came out of Mississippi.
Mm-hmm.
It didn't have the front on it. It had all the pieces inside the cab, in the back of the truck. It didn't have, the bed wasn't bolted. It was all sideways.
Yeah.
And there was trees growing through the frame.
Oh, man.
And the guy didn't want to sell it because he said it was junk.
Oh,
They would
okay.
shoot at it with bullets.
Oh, dang.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I was like, nope, I'll take it.
Heck yeah. Dang. Wow, what kind of paint that is on there? Like,
It's just a satin red.
that's gonna look crazy. Hey, you think we can clear coat my frame or no? Do we have any more clear coat or okay? I had to bring it over probably one of these weekends or something like that. So we got Eli ready. He's getting his bike out. Jacoy. Hey, so you gonna yeah, let's see. Let's check it out. Come on. Yeah, so that's it for today's video on this part right here. And then y'all Patreon guys, stay tuned for part 2. And yeah, we're gonna do it. All right, so this is E-bikeguy, and I'll see y'all later.